Check. Welcome back to another video. We are baking.
Can I show?
Cupcakes. That says to make 12, but I only have 6.
That's okay. We're just going to make some extra big ones.
So what I'm thinking, just the actual one, maybe in this one or this one.
Yeah, but then what are we going to use for this one and the brownies? Do you have another tray?
Over there.
Okay. Did your dad have a cupcake tray?
Yeah, over there. 12.
Do you want me to get it?
Yeah.
In a set? Whereabouts is it? What cupboard? Or do you want to come with me?
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Because then we don't have to, we can just do 3 trays so the oven doesn't get too full.
Look what they're doing. He's doing something over there.
And then there's less washing up to do too.
Wrong way. Good. I'll go down. I'm going down. You can't see me. Oh, yes you can.
There's a mini one if you want to do. Oh, do you have mini cupcake little liners though, or only big ones?
Big ones.
Yeah, we'll just take this then. One of those.
Well, we can take a few. Let's go, guys.
Whatever we don't use, I'll bring straight back down here.
No, you can keep it over there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I just don't want any mess. Will they fit in the drawer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Swap.
There we go. We'll swap it in. I could have opened the door.
No, got it. I'm a multitask. You'll have to open this door.
What are you doing?
You know how to do it?
No.
Oh, this is funny.
That's what he says. Let's go. Oh, now you want me to open the door?
I can't do that one with an elbow.
I don't know what to do with her. Okay.
If we got mini cupcake tins, then we could do the mini ones. But otherwise, we'll have to do the big ones. Do you think?
That's what we do now.
Do you reckon they will fit, or do you reckon they'll be too big? I'm not sure.
I don't know if it. Come on.
You think? Because then we'll only have to use 1 tray. Or you could do 12 big ones. It's up to you.
Wow. I opened it.
It's plastic, is it?
What's it? And we can wash them too. See?
Yeah, we can do like
Yeah.
maybe if we don't do I reckon if we do it in every single one it will be a bit full. But maybe if we do it like, do you reckon, or just do the big ones?
This is big ones.
Yeah, I think it's a bit easier. Put that back in here, or Alright, so we're going to use the 12 cupcake tray.
Yep.
One of these ones.
Yep.
Alright, so put that over there.
And over there. And we're using what colour? What colour, guys?
Why don't you do some of each? No?
Yep, do that. But whose birthday is tomorrow?
Oh yeah. So you can do all red ones?
6 reds.
Do you want some silver?
Yeah.
Yellow? You want yellow checkers or yellow polka dots? Checkers. So you're doing 6 red and 6 yellow. Correct?
Yeah.
Where do these go, Rach?
Just do it.
Oh, actually, you'll probably have some spare ones.
Okay.
Alright, then you can put that on the desk or something until we need it.
That over there. Yeah, no, I'm gonna flip those around.
What do you want them? In here?
Yeah. Okay, now we need a mixing bowl.
This one or the plastic one?
Now we need a mixing bowl.
Oh, you're gonna mix it with that? I thought you were gonna do it by hand. Lazy.
Just call me lazy. Okay.
So we need
To open the bucket. The box.
so this 2 eggs. Do you have butter?
Yep.
And so we gotta melt the butter. So we'll get a little bowl to melt the butter in.
Okay.
Oh, it comes with some. But I think they're too small for those ones, so I'll just put it away.
There we go. And then